Now we are doing the 3D mapping, sound mapping. So right, 2D 2D ke 3D? 2D, 2D sound mapping. So this is our group member. This one is Hanafi. Say hi. This is say hi. Say hi. And this is Lucas. Hi. Okay.
Bang bang bang. Bang bang bang.
For this experiment, our objectives are to generate 2D sound map by using the 1D motorized setup and to investigate the effect of sound interference to the audible region. This method we use can be used in the design of sound system in hall, auditorium, meeting room, and others.
Hanafi, explain the setup of the experiment.
Okay, first of all, we have to set up the experiment like this. We have 2 speakers. This is just the stand for the speaker, and this is a microphone. Okay, and this is a ring. Ready for the microphone to move. Okay, the speaker is connected to the laptop for us to take the software, because the software, the sounds that we generate from the speaker will be go to the microphone and generate to the computer net to the desktop there. Okay. So we'll go to the software of Audacity. Okay, here we have generate the sounds here. So we open a new file.
Discrete dan
For example here. And just as you can hear, it generates the sound of the frequency that we captured from the microphone there. So this is my part. Thank you. Okay, now remove this one. This will be moved by 1 cm per how much is one? The line that we use for is
total.
Yeah, total one.
For negative 15 to 15.
Yeah, which means we move around 30 cm, 31 cm. 51. Yeah, 30 cm. Sorry.
Tapi ada 31 point kan?
Yeah, we have 31 point for 30 cm. Okay. Which means that in X direction we have 30 cm, in Y direction we have about 60 cm. Again. Cuba dah. Ini berapa cm?
5 sampai 35.
30 cm juga. Again. Set. Okay.
To get the recording, we're using the program that written by ourselves.
We go hard boy 신번 밤새 달려죽지 법 이 노래는 거지처럼 신이 나 불러라 심청 겁이며 소리 눈마송의 멜로디 금원독이 결국이 사방팔방 어방가 사뿐한 커피 난 불을 질러 심장을 태워 날 미치게 하고 싶어.
This is the source code of our program. After we run this, we will get this window and key in the after we click run on this, we will get this window. Key in the respective value and click on run. The program will auto doing the looping for the recording.
Okay, hi. And now we come to the part of analyzing the data. And here we have all the data, the recording from the previous steps. And then let's try to open it with Audacity. So now let's open a sample from our recording. Okay. So we will choose from 0.1 to 0.2 as our analyzing data. This is because the value before 0.1 we can see actually there is a delay of the electronic devices, and then after 0.2 we can see there's actually the Windows OS that it recognizes our monotone recording as background noise, and that's why it tends to compress or actually ignore it. So now let's analyze our spectrum, and then we can see from the function of Audacity, the peak of our selected frequency is, which is the frequency of 6,800, about that, and then we get the peak with negative 3.4 decibels, and then we just take the reading, which is negative 3.4 in this case, and then we put it in our data script.
To generate 2D sound map.
Good.
Right.